Okay, here now with Bud and Beau. They are from Kaplan Industries. First, I'll start with Bud. Congrats, about to be retired. So, start us off. How long were you in the industry for? And are there any highlights that you want to talk about?
Well, the industry I've been associated with probably for 47 years. You know, working for Sherwood, and then before that Superior, and owned by Taylor Wharton Harsco. So I've been around for a long time. So it's been a good experience, but like I said, it's been a long time, and I'm really ready to move on to my next stage of life. But this industry has been great. A lot of good people. It's a close-knit industry. So I've made a lot of friends, and I appreciate it.
All right, very good. And he's passing the torch off to Beau. You're going to be handling a lot of Bud's responsibilities. What do you deal with on a day-to-day at this point, and what are you looking forward to as it pertains to Bud's responsibilities?
Yeah, big shoes with this guy over here. But currently the day-to-day for our global sales department there. So I manage all of our regional sales reps throughout North America, and then on a global front too. We've been picking up business the last few years, a bit more of a focus for us. And then in terms of Bud, the day-to-day of marketing. So I'll have to try to outdo myself with these Kaplan brains next year, but that's the plan. Just kind of, basically just add to what Bud has done such a good job with us for over the years. So really looking forward to the opportunity.
Cool. And in the recent years, I know you guys have done a lot of upgrades at the facility. I actually visited you guys like 2 weeks ago, and talk about some of the upgrades and what it's meant for the business and what you're able to offer distributors because of that.
Well, what we have done recently, and we announced it, is the merger of two facilities. We have our Midwest division, who does hydro and refurbishment, and Kaplan. And what that has done is expanded our capacity to utilize the Midwest production facility when we really need it, when we're really business. And that helps us reduce lead times. And we're doing so much more in addition to that. We're going to be getting some new equipment in to add some automation to our facility. So this business, Kaplan Industries, is growing. We're in our third generation, and the sky's the limit on what we're going to do. Yes.
Perfect. Paige just walked up. Come on over, Paige, apprehensively coming over. Let me show you guys, Paige. This is Dean's daughter. For those of you in the industry that knows Dean, his daughter, Paige. Paige is stepping into an operational role with the company. Also, part of the visit that I just had, treated me to a phenomenal dinner. Shout out to Jordan, her husband, at the Precinct in Cincinnati. So if you're ever in Cincinnati, check out the Precinct Steakhouse. It is phenomenal. Talk to us about what you do for Kaplan, Paige, and how you got there.
This question. I do a little bit of everything. My day-to-day role changes. I'm in the technical side, I'm in the production side, I'm in the accounts payable side. How I got there, it was a little bit of a journey of about 6 years. Started answering the phones, doing freight bills, and then eventually traveling with them, learning the ins and outs of the company, and just got promoted in May to vice president position. So.
Perfect. Anybody here from the spec gas division that could speak on the hydrocarbon gases?
Bud, you want to take that?
Yeah. All right.
Again, that is a growing business for us. We keep enhancing our capabilities. We're going to be attending the major cannabis show in Las Vegas here in November. So yeah, we're making good inroads. It's a great product, and we can service this particular industry, the welding industry, because a lot of our customers are in areas where they could possibly service extractors and other people in the industry. So it's a great opportunity for us and for our customers, and we're really happy to have that on board. Yeah,
for sure. So any distributors with cannabis coming into their market, keep an eye out for opportunities and call Kaplan when you need hydrocarbon gases. So thank you guys for everything that you do, and it's always great to see you at the shows.
Absolutely.